Best affordable car mods for under $100. Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Automotive's Car. Have you ever found yourself wanting to upgrade your car but feeling like it's just way too expensive? Well, today's video is all about the best affordable car mods for under $100. Segment 1. Introduction. Cut to host standing next to the car, smiling. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of car modifications on a budget. That's right, we're talking about making your car look and feel better without breaking the bank. Segment point 2, common misconception. Cut to close-up of the host, serious expression. Now, the common misconception out there is that car mods always have to be pricey. But here's the challenge, finding affordable yet effective modifications that can truly make a difference. Segment 3. Affordable modifications. Cut to various shots of affordable car mods. Let's explore some cool options that won't burn a hole in your pocket. From decals to LED lights, air fresheners to steering wheel covers, there are plenty of ways to spruce up your ride for under $100. Cut to host demonstrating each mod briefly. First up, decals. They're easy to apply and can give your car a unique look. Show host applying decals to the car. Next, LED lights. Interior or exterior, they can make your car stand out, especially at night. Show host installing LED lights. Air fresheners might seem simple, but a good scent can make your car feel like a brand new space. Show host placing an air freshener. And don't forget about steering wheel covers. They're not only stylish, but also improve your grip and comfort. Show host fitting a steering wheel cover. Segment 4. Game Changer Mod. Cut to dramatic shot of host with suspenseful music. But hold on to your seats because we're about to reveal the most impactful and budget-friendly car mod that can completely transform the appearance or performance of your vehicle. Trust me, this one's a game changer. Reveal the final mod with a flourish. Vinyl wraps. They can change the color of your car, add patterns, or even protect the original paint. All for under $100 if you DIY or focus on smaller areas. Show host applying a vinyl wrap to a section of the car. Segment 5. Recap and conclusion. Cut to host standing next to the finished car, looking satisfied. In conclusion, let's recap the key affordable car mods we've discussed today. Remember, enhancing your car doesn't have to cost a fortune. It's all about being creative and smart with your choices. Cut to close-up of host, smiling warmly. And hey, before you go, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome car modification content, and share your favorite affordable mods in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.